Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is video 2 of the carpet to hardwood stairs makeover. I should have done this a couple years ago. When I was doing it, it didn't record correctly and I was like, screw it, I already did everything. So I just didn't even try and put the video up because it didn't work. So if you just watched the first video, now you're on the second video. I'll put this at the end of the first video. Definitely, I didn't talk about it in the first one, but before you put this down, before you put the wood down on here, stain your wood outside because it's gonna stink up your whole house. It's gonna be horrible. And it's extremely hard. And then the stain is gonna flick up all over your little white paint here and you're gonna have to clean it. And I got regular stains on there now because it's been there for 3 years. Gotta wipe everything down, but as you can see, let me tilt it down. There's the stairs, they go up. That's what they look like. And I didn't do trim in the corner. I just caulked it in the corners there. Let's walk up the stairs here so you can see what they look like. Going down. See what they look like from the top. That's what they look like. Stand over here. So they look like from the top, going down. It was a pain in the butt to stain them while they were on here. And that's something I'll never do again for the rest of my life. So you stain it, I stained it. I do every other stair so I can get up my stairs while it was drying. That's why you do it outside first before you cut it, before you install it. After you stain it, every other stair so you can walk. Then you put your polyurethane coating on it and let it dry. So you gotta do like either start at the top or do every other stair until that dries. You put 1 or 2 coats. But it turned out pretty good. I'm not a professional, I have no clue what I'm doing. It turned out pretty good doing that. Right now I'm doing some tile work in here in my living room, my second living room. That's a pain in the butt. I'll never do that again. I will pay someone to do that. Never in my life. After this is done, will I ever do it again. If you know how to do it, good for you, but it's not for me, not gonna happen. So it's part 2. I just want to show y'all what it looks like. It's been a while since I made a video, and it's really dusty. I don't know if you can see the dust. That normally don't go there. It goes in my living room / office over there. Just want y'all to take a good look at it. See what it's about. It's not bad looking. I'm not a professional. It's a heck of a lot cheaper than paying someone to come in here. You can do this yourself. It's not hard. This right here isn't hard to do. Staining it while it was on, that was a little bit tougher. Do it outside or in your garage. It'll stink up your house bad, and so will the polyurethane. You do both of them outside. Cut them, put them up here, and then put another coat on of the polyurethane coating. But that's it, caulking. I had no clue. I didn't know how to caulk. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. At first it was kind of wonky, but it's pretty easy to learn real quick. You'll figure it out. It's pretty simple. But that's about it for today. I just want to post this because everyone in the comment section is like, what does it look like with the finished product? What is the finished product? That's what it looks like. All right, peace. Make sure you can put a thumbs up. I'm sweating. Look how bad I'm sweating. So yeah, put a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. I sure do appreciate it. Peace.